Can you survive this 5 minutes?
3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds left.
Rest for 15 seconds.
Three, two, one, go.
Stranded
20 seconds left.
in the open, dried out tears of sorrow,
10 seconds left.
all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the
Rest for 15 seconds.
gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion.
3, 2, 1, go.
Light that sets me
free. 10 seconds left.
Rest for 15 seconds.
Three, two, one, go. Reverse plank. Sit on the floor with legs extended together. Place your hands behind you directly under your shoulders with your fingers pointing forward. Press onto your palms and lift your hips and torso off the floor. Squeeze your core and hold for as long as you can. Key tips. Keep your head, torso and thighs in a straight line. Keep a braced core during the exercise. Keep your shoulders down and do not put the body weight on your shoulders. Do not lock out your elbows during the exercise. 10 seconds left.
Rest for 15 seconds.
Three, two, one, go.
Rest for 15 seconds.
Stranded in the open.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets
10 seconds left. You have successfully completed this exercise. If you want to transform your body, subscribe to the channel.